Thank you so much. I'm here to present our project pitch for our SDG for challenge, which is on quality education. So we're trying to revolutionize biochemistry education by using a gamified platform. So biochemistry is a foundational subject for medical students, for biochemistry students, even for medicine students, which is crucial for understanding molecular biology, metabolism, and other medical related parts in the coursework. So the traditional based methods they often lead to poor engagement, poor retention, and academic stress, whereby most students have difficulties to attend the lectures, whereby maybe the classes are filled up and other challenges. So came about a solution to tackle these problems, which is called BioQuest. So BioQuest is an interactive gamified learning platform which is used to make learning easy and kind of use biochemistry to test run this program. So biochemistry is actually complex and it's very vast and abstract and it's making it difficult for students to master. Most students have issues with biochemistry, whereby the rate in which students take biochemistry is kind of very high. So the three challenges such as memorizing, lack of visualization, and time constraints. So there are many high terms in biochemistry, which makes students to find it difficult to learn it and to memorize. The traditional based system often fail to tackle most of these learning problems and which by limit students from learning very well. And this causes a very poor rate in their academic excellence. Another problem that students face is also lack of quality resources. They kind of lack materials and programs that can help them to learn much better. So I'm going to talk about the BioQuest. So the BioQuest is a mobile and web-based platform integrated with interactive games, microlearning, and student engagement tools. So it's a kind of a program that we created whereby students join, attend classes online, have access to various materials in their study, and also have a kind of after learning quizzes whereby they answer questions and they gain many points, and also how they have a leaderboard, and the students that have higher points are rewarded. So these are the key features in BioQuest. BioQuest is gamified biochemical pathways as interactive challenges, bite-sized lessons with instant feedback. So the lessons are quite very simple and they will have a feedback in case there's any question that is asked. We have personalized study paths, leaderboards and awards to motivate students, as I said earlier on, and peer-to-peer learning through community discussion. So sometimes some topics are discussed in the group, whereby each student have their own input and have a way to learn from all these methods. So let's do some takeaways from the MVP. So we have a 10-day MVP was conducted using WhatsApp, Google Forms, and Google Meet and videos. So almost around 60 something students participated in this program, engaging in quizzes and discussion. So each day a class is hosted and the group link is pasted in the group, and the students join the group and they take the lectures. So after the lectures, there's kind of an assignment and quizzes that are sent to the students for them to answer, and each student that gets the highest mark are recorded in the leaderboard. So the WhatsApp, the key insights in our MVP, WhatsApp was preferred over Telegram for accessibility. So we found out that most students are are connected to WhatsApp than Telegram, because when we posted the Telegram group, we found it difficult for students to access the Telegram. But WhatsApp was actually very useful because most students know about WhatsApp. So we created a group and they joined the group. Then the leaderboards and our rewards increase student motivation. So the rewards that was given for the students that are topping the quizzes kind of motivated students to participate in this BioQuest. Then we also recorded the lessons after every classes. So for those that missed it to also attend, and also for increased self-paced learning. And then a more structured platform is also needed for scalability. So this is a kind of a screenshot of our group. You can see this is a Lighthouse group. It has about 168 members of students that join the group to learn more about biochemistry. And this also the links that are also created for the classes. You can see the class today for 7 p.m. The class today starts by 10 minutes. These are the classes, the group links, that the Google Meets links are also posted for the classes so that students can actually join. So what are the expected impacts? We expect enhanced student performance, improve retention and understanding of biochemistry. So this way we kind of make biochemistry to be very simple in short videos, and also the interactions with other students. So thereby as they are taking the programs in kind of a game, it kind of improves their retention memory, whereby they can remember the things that they learned. And it also reduces academic stress, so make it more flexible and make it more interesting environment. Then you have a greater accessibility, so high quality resources are available to all students regardless of background. So, and then the MVB insights will guide further development and refinement of BioQuest. So we kind of did some survey from our MVP. So we learned that the learning preferences. So further that 72% prefer evening classes, and then 85% favor live lectures. So you can see most students are kind of very free to take the classes in the evening time according to the stats. They will also did some survey in their study habits. Found that 58% of the students study 1 to 2 hours per day, and 40% are new to biochemistry. Then the challenges, we found out that 45% feel overwhelmed and 30% face scheduling conflict. So these stats kind of shows that students are really struggling, especially in this course biochemistry. And with this our BioQuest, we know that most of these problems are going to be solved. So our MVP successes and challenges. So our successes, we got about 160 something students engaged via WhatsApp and Google Forms. And then our WhatsApp brokers improved participation. And then the gamification, the incentives, the leaderboards and the rewards kind of boosted the motivation of the students, which made the classes very interesting because most students kind of wants to be involved so that they can answer questions, test themselves, and also get more points and rewards. Then the recorded videos allowed flexible learning, whereby the most some students that miss the classes are also have a video whereby they can watch and also catch up with what they lost. Then the challenges we also faced was that the Telegram was ineffective when we introduced it. It was ineffective. Then we have a limited real time interaction because most of the learning was done online. Then the BioQuest social impact. So the enhancing the medical education, the active learning, the quizzes, simulations, and other rewards and the leaderboards kind of boost retention. It also reduces academic stress with the structured safe-paced study, and it increases equitable access via a mobile-friendly premium model. Then the measuring success, the user adoption and engagement rates, improve quiz scores and exam pass rates, and positive feedback from students and educators. So call to action. So why BioQuest matters. So BioQuest really transform learning with gamification and AI driven adaptation. This kind of makes learning very easy and very simple, and kind of make it very friendly, making students to eager to learn. And then it meets growing demand for digital medical education. The world now is evolving to digital period. So learning also needs to evolve too. So this kind of way of making the learning to be digital online kind of makes it more easy and more flexible for students. And then also supports are needed because the funding of this this thing, the funding for content expansion and optimization. So funds are also needed to expand this program for it to reach a very large area, and a partnership with universities and healthcare institutions so that this BioQuest can also be introduced in other universities and in other schools. So join us and help us revolutionize medical education with BioQuest. Thank you so much. This is from LightHouse Group. Thank you so much.